Hello financial fans, I think you'll find this video interesting. I bought some exchange traded funds today. The market is down and my stocks also are down, but my stocks percentage wise are not down as much as the S&P, which I think is now slightly over 0.5% down, and mine are about 1/3% down. But I decided to add it to my position in the electric vehicle stocks, and I bought some ETFs, exchange traded funds, that deal with electric vehicles and electric vehicle components and anything related to electric vehicles. And I think you'll like the numbers here. I'll show you the ones I bought today. I bought DRIV Global X Autonomous and Electric Vehicles ETF. And the two things we'll look at in the middle column, about halfway down, year-to-date daily total return, 32.37%, which is not a bad return year-to-date for a exchange traded fund. And all the way down, almost all the way down to the bottom, expense ratio 0.68%. That's reasonably high, but when you look at the fact that they're getting 32% at this time, that's a modest amount to pay for the management of this exchange traded fund. And we'll look at the next one, which is HAIL, H-A-I-L. That is the symbol for Kensho Smart Mobility ETF, exchange traded fund, New York Stock Exchange. And we let's look at the year-to-date YTD, middle column about halfway down, YTD daily total return, 14.58%. So not as great as the other one we looked at, DRIV, but still a respectable return on your money. And the expense ratio for this fund is a little bit lower, under 0.5%. So it's a modest fee. You can certainly buy funds of different types that would have a lower expense ratio, but for electric vehicle groupings of stocks in an ETF, that's not too bad. And the year-to-date return 14.58% is nice. Now let's move on to Crane Shares Electric Vehicles and Future Mobility Index ETF. KARS is the symbol. And by the way, this is currently $53.83 as we speak, but I got it, let me give you the amount I paid for. $53.83 is what right at this moment, but it'll change. This is during the trading day. This is Tuesday the 9th of November of 2021, and KARS I bought for $55.82.5. So I got it 0.5 cent lower than what it's trading for there. And by the way, all these ETFs are down today, so this might be a day to go in and do some purchasing. And the last one we'll look at, LIT, Global X Lithium and Battery Technology ETF. LIT, like in lithium, LIT is the symbol. $94.51 is the price right at this moment, but LIT I got for $94.36.65. 94.37 I paid for it, so I got it for a little bit less than this. We'll look at the expense ratio first. 0.75, a high expense ratio, but look at that year-to-date total return, 52.38%. That's pretty nice. Let's go back here. I'll take a quick look at Drive. It's $31.63 right now, but when I bought it, it was $31.55, so I got it for slightly less than what it is now. And the HAIL, it is currently $62.31, and I paid $62.18.5, so I got it for less than that. And I thank you very much for watching.